also to break through it. This idiom has the meaning of to make someone catch on. Examples in sentences are: some of the students in my reading class understand English so poorly that it's difficult to get through to them. Second, the doctors have never succeeded in breaking through to Mr. Ames, who is a silent and secretive patient. Next, to keep one's word. To keep one's word means to fulfill a promise, to be responsible. An idiom with the opposite meaning is to break one's word. Examples in sentences are: Suzanne kept her word to me not to let on to others that I intend to step down next month. Thomas always intends to keep his word, but invariably the end result is that he breaks his word. He just isn't capable of being a responsible person. Next, to be over one's head. To be over one's head. To be very busy, to have too much to do, also to be up to one's ears, to be beyond one's ability to understand. I would love to take a week off for a hiking trip.